Artificial intelligence is evolving at an incredible pace. Robots are becoming smarter, faster, and more efficient. But here's the big question: will AI take our jobs or will it create new opportunities? AI or artificial intelligence refers to machines designed to think and learn like humans. But how does it work? AI processes massive amount of data, recognizing patterns and making decisions. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is transforming industries worldwide. AI is not new. The idea dates back to the 1950s when researchers started developing intelligent machines. Over time, advancements in computing power, big data, and algorithms have led to the AI driven world we see today. The revolution is now accelerating faster than ever. AI is transforming multiple industries. Manufacturing sees robotic automation, customer service is enhanced by AI chatbots, and even journalism is being assisted by AI generated news articles. But which jobs are at the highest risk? Let's find out. Workers in routine, predictable jobs face the biggest challenge. Factory workers, truck drivers, and call center employees are seeing AI replace their roles. But it's not just blue collar jobs. AI is also automating tasks in finance, law, and even medicine. Companies are investing billions in AI to boost efficiency, cut costs, and improve customer experiences. AI driven businesses gain a competitive edge by making faster decisions, reducing errors, and offering innovative services. But what does this mean for the workforce? The key to staying ahead in the AI era is adaptation. While AI excels at repetitive tasks, humans have creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem solving abilities. Upskilling in fields like data science, AI ethics, and creative problem solving will be essential for career growth. While AI replaces some jobs, it also creates new ones. Careers in AI development, cybersecurity, and AI ethics are booming. The rise of automation means we need skilled professionals who can design, manage, and regulate AI systems. AI is already embedded in most industries, but its influence will only grow. From marketing automation to AI assisted medical diagnosis, almost every job will involve some form of AI in the next decade. The question is, are we ready? AI isn't perfect. It struggles with creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical decision making. AI can also inherit biases from its training data, leading to unfair or inaccurate results. Humans will always play a critical role in guiding AI responsibly. For AI to truly benefit humanity, governments, businesses, and individuals must work together. Ethical AI development, fair job transitions, and regulations to prevent misuse will shape how AI impacts our lives. AI is already working in the real world. At Walmart, autonomous robots scan shelves to check inventory, making store operations more efficient. In Japan, a restaurant uses robotic servers to take orders and serve food, reducing the need for wait staff. AI driven automation is becoming a reality in industries worldwide. At Amazon warehouses, AI powered robots transport goods, reducing human labor and speeding up deliveries. In hospitals, robotic assistants help doctors by handling repetitive tasks like organizing medical records and even assisting in surgeries. In the fast food industry, companies like McDonald's and KFC are testing AI powered kiosks and robotic chefs to streamline food preparation and service. There are two possible futures when it comes to AI and jobs. In the first, AI takes over all the repetitive and boring tasks, giving humans more time to focus on creative and meaningful work. This could lead to a happier and more productive society where people work on things they truly enjoy. In the second, AI replaces many jobs, but not everyone is able to find new work. This could increase unemployment, widen the gap between rich and poor, and create serious challenges for society. Most likely, the future will be somewhere in between. If companies and governments plan ahead, AI can improve lives while minimizing job losses. The key is to focus on balancing automation with opportunities for people. AI is here to stay, but will it take your job? The real answer depends on how we adapt. Technology has always changed the way we work, and AI is no different. The key is to use AI as a tool for progress rather than as a threat. What do you think? Is AI a threat or an opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.